Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a really exciting fashion haul from BUbledon. So this video is not sponsored, but they did send all these pieces to me, so I want to say a big thank you to BUbledon for providing these pieces to me. I am so excited for this one. I have a lot of dresses, a lot of shoes. I feel like I hit the jackpot with this haul. Let's get right into it, starting off with this denim dress right here. Hands down, it has to be my new favorite dress because it is so flattering. I am so in love with this dress, and the reason why I think it's so beautiful and so unique, and the reason why I really love this dress is because the quality is amazing. It has a nice stretch, it's comfortable to wear, and it's so flattering. I love the sleeves. It's kind of like more poofy. As you can see, it's more cinched here, and then it has more of a poofy look, and I feel like that gives it a really nice flattering look on the sleeves as well. I love the collar that goes down right here. It is button. It does have buttons right here. It has buttons going all the way down. You can open this up if you like. And I overall love this dress. I got in the size medium. I'm really glad I did, because if I would have got in a small, it would have been too tight right here, because you guys know I'm heavy on top. I'm a 34 triple D, so just keep that in mind. This does have a stretch, but I also didn't want it to do this. I feel like it was made for me. I love the fact that it has pockets. You guys know I have a thing for pockets, and I love it if I just want to like throw my phone in there. Very nice and structured. It's the perfect amount of stretch, and I just love this. I absolutely love it. I have to say, from all the dresses that I'm going to show you, this is one of my favorites, along with another one. My other favorite that I was so blown away when I seen it, and especially when I put it on, I was like, oh, ooh, you guys know that moment where you're that excited? Yes, I was that excited. It is this one right here, and I got this also in the size medium. I absolutely love this. This is long sleeve, but I really love how it's like nice and flowy. It has like a nice movement, makes me feel very girly, and that's the reason why I love it. And this is floral print done right. I feel like with some floral print, it can make it look cheap, or it's just not my style, but this is so beautiful. Look at that floral print. It's very nice and breezy. It does have the tie up right here where you could tie up your waist like so, but it is cinched in. Regardless, it will still give you a nice waist, but it does also have this one that you can cinch it in a little bit more if you like. And then it is a v-neck, but the reason why I really love this dress is that it has these little snap closure right here, so you can close it like so, and it will be more like on the modest side. I so appreciate that, guys, because a lot of times dresses like this are open like that, just like this, and it just shows everything. For me, I don't like to show my cleavage, and that's the reason why I really love this dress. It is so nice and flowy, very comfortable, and I love the ruffles right here. It's very girly, very feminine. If you guys are into dresses like this, I do recommend it. I love like the really beautiful peach color all over this dress, and these beautiful lavender roses. Gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. And moving on to the next dress is this one right here. This is a really pretty, again, very feminine dress. I wanted to get a really beautiful like lavender dress, and it looks like this. The only thing I will say about this is I could have gotten this in a size small, but other than that, it is really nice. But yeah, I wanted it maybe a little bit more fitted. This is such a beautiful dress, and I love the lace look to it. This is a 3/4 inch sleeve, and it has a little bit of a poof sleeve right here. Not too much, just a little bit. And then in the back, you can tie these right here. So you can tie it for an extra detail, and I really love this. I think it's so nice and flattering. This lavender, I think, is very flattering on a lot of skin tones, and I am really loving, like, I'm really getting into lavender lately, and this one is so pretty. It does have like the cinched in waist, and then it flows down. It is lined, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through whatsoever. Moving on to another dress. This one is so pretty, very chic, and I really been wanting something like this, and it is this right here. This is a white button-up style dress. I got this in a size medium. The only thing I will say is it's just a little fitted right here. Other than that, it's perfect. I absolutely love it. It does go button down all the way to here, and then it's cinched at the waist, and it has the tiered look right here. It doesn't have any stretch whatsoever, so just keep that in mind. Right here, it is stretchy at the waistline, and it does have the collar right here. I'm really into, like I said, the button-up style dresses and tops lately. I just think they look so chic and nice. And this is one of those dresses that you can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it with some sneakers, or you can wear it with some heels, some sandals, some wedges, whatever. It's very versatile, and I think this is perfect for the spring and summertime. Moving on to this dress right here, I just think this is so pretty and so beautiful, very feminine. This I also got in the size medium. It does have the zipper that you can open before you put it on, so that way it's easier for you to put it on your body. And in the back, it is smocked, so you can get a little bit extra room in case you need it. And then these, you can tie them up however you like. So if you want them shorter, you can tie them as short as you want. So I do appreciate that, because that way you do control where you want the dress to stay on your body. For me, I'm very petite. I'm 5'1". So I do appreciate that, because I usually need these like more up here. And this is so, so pretty. I love the print on it, guys. These beautiful pink, these beautiful yellow flowers, and the blush pink background is so pretty. This is so feminine, very flowy, very girly, and this is lined, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. And then, guys, onto the shoes. I have 5 pairs of shoes to show you guys. First ones are these gorgeous nude block heels. They are so beautiful, guys. They are like a 2-inch heel. They're block 2-inch heels, and I think these are perfect if you're starting off with heels, or you don't really wear heels and you don't feel comfortable. These, I promise you, will be very comfortable, because not only is it block, which makes it more comfortable to wear and easy to wear, but it's a low heel, so you don't have to worry about, like, you know, breaking your ankles. And I really, really love these. This is the nude. This will go with so many of my outfits, because it's a neutral color, and it does have this little stretchy band right here. And one thing I will say is I have wide feet, and I do not have a problem with these. They're really beautiful, very comfortable. I can definitely see myself wearing these all day. Moving on to the next one, are exactly the same, but I decided to get it in this color right here. This is a baby blue. I absolutely love this. I don't have anything like this, and I kind of, ooh, that's beautiful. Good job, baby. And I like to get unique pieces that I don't have in my wardrobe, and I don't have any sandals like this in this gorgeous baby pink. Perfect for the spring and summertime. If you like to look cute but at the same time comfortable, I think these are perfect. And that's why I got them, because I have a 2-year-old, and a lot of times I can't wear heels, and this is perfect because it's heeled, but at the same time it's comfortable, and I can definitely run around with these, and I will have no problems wearing them all day long. And one thing I do want to mention, they are true to size. I got them in the size 6, and they fit great. And the next ones are these right here. Again, they're exactly the same, but I got them in a beautiful blush pink. I had to get these, guys. I'm so in love with these shoes, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them, because again, they're comfortable, but at the same time they're cute. And one thing I love about them is that it does have a nice cushion right here and right here. It has like a nice material. This is very, very soft. Hopefully you guys can see that as like close up. They're so, so pretty. Moving on to these wedge sandals. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with these. I'm actually very picky with wedge sandals, to be honest with you. I either hate them or love them, and I feel like it's kind of like a fine line when it comes to wedge sandals. Either they look really nice and updated, or they look outdated and they don't look cute. And I'm just being honest, these are the, to me, updated versions of wedge sandals. They are so, so beautiful. So it has this strap right here, and one thing I appreciate about these is that they are very comfortable. The strap is very nice and soft, and your feet won't be really high up there, because this is a platform, so it might look intimidating, but trust me, they're very comfortable to walk in. You have this tie up right here, So actually you have this right here where you put your feet in. You'll see, as obviously as I style them, you'll see exactly what I mean. But then you have these where you tie around your ankles. You can choose to have them more up, or you just tie it around your ankles down, like all gathered together. It doesn't really matter, whatever you prefer. But this is so beautiful. I actually want to get my hands on these in the color black as well, because I love them that much. They're so pretty. I love this straw material look to it. Perfect for the summertime. These are perfect for a wedding, maybe even a bridal shower, a baby shower, brunch, if you want to go to church. Like, it's so versatile. You can get so many wear out of these. And this again is really nice. I love the fact that it has nice memory foam right here. It goes all the way down right here, so your feet will be nice and comfortable. Last but not least, oh my gosh, you guys are probably wondering, like, why would you get boots for the spring and summertime? Because I can. I got these, guys, and I absolutely love them. I've been looking for a pair of like nude color boots like this. I actually bought these because I want to wear it with this dress right here. I think this will go so perfect with this dress. It's kind of like a nice updated slash retro look, and they're very comfortable, guys. It has about a 3-inch heel. Very comfortable though. It fits me really nice. I did get these in a size 7. When it comes to boots, I always get in a size 7 because I like to have extra room. This is so nice, very nice. It feels like real leather. These were like bent like this in the box. They do come bent like this. So what I do recommend is that you use some pool noodles. That's what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna add some pool noodles and put it in here and have it on display. I like this to be bent because I feel like it's gonna mess up the shoe. But this is so nice. It honestly feels like real nice quality soft leather, but it is vegan leather. And then at the side right here, it does open up like so. Looks like that. This is fleece lined. Right here, again, it is nice and cushioned. It has a memory foam. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this summer fashion haul from BUbledon. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.